What got you here will not take you there. And especially if you know that there is your goal. I'm sure you might have heard this line earlier also. But I would like to thank one of my mentor because I also heard this line but never understood it. So my mentor actually explained this, and then only I could understand the exact meaning of it, and I'm trying to implement that right away in my life. So let me take this opportunity and try and explain the meaning to you. I hope this will make sense to you as well. What brought you here? Let me take an example of what brought you there. Let's assume you are driving a car. You get your car uh, fuel filled with $1,000, and assuming your car gives an average where it can make you go almost 200 kilometers in those $1,000, what will happen at the end of 200 kilometers? Well, no point of guessing. You will run out of the fuel. You don't want to get into a situation where you run out of the fuel in middle of nowhere. No. What do then? You ensure that you are getting it refueled by the time you reach that red color indicator in your fuel meter. Why is that? Because you want to go further. But if I talk about our lives, what we do most of the time is we are continuing on the same journey for so long without getting the refueling done. What do I mean by that? We don't invest time in getting the learnings enhanced. We continue to work on our daily routines. We continue to improve our daily routines. We continue to focus on performance. While the simple fact is your performance can increase by multifold if you have the additional level of learnings with you. You might be implementing a software. You know the traditional way of implementing a software. You are doing this for a long time. But if you stop for some time and try and understand what are the new technologies or what are the new tools that can be used to implement those softwares, your overall efforts will reduce and your speed will increase. That is the power of learnings. I'm sure all the people who relate to technology, who work with technology, would definitely relate to whatever I said. If I were to take another quick example, there were two guys who were doing the same job of wood cutting into forest for the similar duration. One of the guy used to cut woods on and the trees without stop for 10 hours every day, while the other guy used to take break after every 1 or 2 hours. By the end of the day, every day this was happening, that the guy who was taking break was able to produce more results. He was able to cut more trees or wood just because he was spending those break time, the 15-minute break time that he was taking after each every 1 or 2 hour, into sharpening his X. As a result, he was able to produce better result, better output of the same time and effort which both the guys were putting. Now see the power of learning. He was sharpening his X every 1 or 2 hour. Are you sharpening your X enough to get those results? Well, if not, trust me, you are not working towards reaching there. You are still working to continue to be the same state. At the end of an year, probably what you will get is an appraisal, some percentage of hike. That will not get you there. You need to define your goals. You need to work to reach your goals, and then only you can make it. Work to sharpen your X and see the changes in result. Thank you.